Today we'll be taking a look at the Mi Athleisure shoes, which are the perfect mix for your daily needs, be it for casual wear or for workouts. The Mi Athleisure shoe comes with Honeycomb breathable mesh that ensures that there's a lot of air passing through a shoe, that ensures your feet will be cool and smelling fresh even after an entire day of activity. Now this is very light, starting at just 215 grams in terms of weight, which reduces the strain on your feet, and they're also extremely flexible, which allows you to walk and run as your natural stride itself. There's a synthetic PU heel support which ensures that your heel does not slip out even when you're doing intensive activities, and the EVA memory foam ensures that the shoe absorbs all the shock even when you're doing intensive activities or running. It also comes with forward grip under soles that improve your balance overall and also prevents you from slipping. The best part of all is that it looks good regardless of what you wear it with, and is available in 3 trendy colors, namely blue, black and grey, and they also come with reflective markings which actually ensure that you stand out even amongst the crowd. Get your pair now on Flipkart, Mi Store or Mi Home at a price of Rs 1,699, which is a great deal for these shoes.